Hi everyone, and welcome to the first video in our new series on meals that may help support healthy blood sugar levels. Today, I want to share a personal story from when I visited a dear friend in hospital during her pregnancy. She was experiencing high blood sugar levels, and her doctors were closely monitoring her and considering increasing her insulin as part of her treatment plan. Alongside that care, I offered to prepare a couple of simple, nourishing homemade meals for her, focused on whole ingredients, balance, and keeping things as straightforward as possible. For the first meal, I prepared a simple supper designed to be comforting, filling, and satisfying. It consisted of 2 Bratwurst sausages, split lengthways and topped with cheese, then cooked in the air fryer for around 10 minutes, until hot and lightly crisped on top. Instead of mashed potato, I made a cauliflower mash, soft, creamy, and an easy swap that completely changes the balance of the plate. Alongside that, I added steamed broccoli and asparagus to bring in extra color, texture, and freshness. To finish, she also had a simple dessert of natural yogurt with raspberries, keeping it light and fresh. With this meal, I wanted to keep things simple and balanced, less focus on starchy carbs like potato, and more on protein, vegetables, and fats, which tends to feel more steady and satisfying afterwards. After this supper, my friend's blood sugar was tested and came back at 4.5 millimoles per liter, which is approximately 81 milligrams per deciliter in US measurements, and was within a stable range at that time. It's not about strict rules or cutting everything out. It's more about simple, thoughtful swaps and building meals in a way that feels balanced and satisfying. The next morning, I took my friend a simple breakfast that still felt comforting and familiar. A bacon and egg sandwich, but with a twist. Instead of regular bread, I used homemade almond flour waffles. That swap makes the meal much lower in carbohydrates than a typical sandwich, while still keeping it filling and satisfying thanks to the protein and fats from the bacon, eggs, and almond flour. Meals built this way often lead to a gentler rise in blood sugar compared with traditional bread-based breakfasts. And honestly, it still feels like a proper breakfast, not like you're missing out on anything. If you'd like to try the almond flour waffles yourself, I'll include a link in the description showing exactly how to make them. Before breakfast, my friend's blood sugar was tested and came back at 4.5 millimoles per liter, around 81 milligrams per deciliter. Then, 1 hour after the meal, it was tested again and read 4.3 millimoles per liter, around 77 milligrams per deciliter. At that point, with her readings remaining stable, she made the decision in discussion with her medical team to stop insulin, and there were no concerns raised at that time. Thank you for watching, and for being part of this first episode in the series. This series is all about simple, homemade meals that may help support the maintenance of healthy blood sugar levels, using everyday ingredients and more balanced, lower-carb ideas inspired by approaches such as keto-style eating. The focus is on whole foods, protein, healthy fats and vegetables, and how small, simple changes in everyday meals can contribute to steadier energy and overall well-being. If you've enjoyed this video, feel free to like, share, and leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts or any meal ideas you'd like to see in future episodes. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the rest of the series. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Just a quick note. This video is based on personal experience and is not medical advice. Everyone's nutritional needs are different, especially during pregnancy or when managing blood sugar, so it's always important to follow guidance from a qualified healthcare professional.